Topic 9, Data Analysis and Statistics, by Calvin Champa
and Andrew Tafkar.
Hey mate, what are statistical functions?
Statistical functions, mate, are built-in functions that are used to analyze data.
Oh, functions that analyze data. Some of those functions must be like the average, right?
Sort of, mate. Let me explain. In MATLAB, there are few statistical functions to focus on. The first three are the mean, median, and mode.
Oh, I know what those are, mate. The mean is the sum of all the variables in the data given, divided by the number of variables in the data.
Outstanding, mate!
Oh, Terrence, don't flatter me. The median of data is the value in the middle of the data.
But Harry, what if there is an even number of variables in the data?
Well, then MATLAB would take the mean of the two middle numbers.
Harry, that's great. And the last thing, in order to get the median, the data must be sorted first.
Oh my days, Terrence! What in the world is sorting?
Don't worry, Harry. Settle down. We will get to that. Be patient. But before we do, let me hear about the mode.
Okay. The mode is the value in the data that appears most frequently. Oh, and when multiple variables appear the most, the mode is the smaller value.
Perfect, mate. Couldn't have said it better myself. Now, Harry, do you know what standard deviation is?
Oh, gods, no! What in the world is that?
Well, it can also be called the root mean squared, because that is what it is doing. It is taking the square root of the variance, or spread of data.
Wow! That seems interesting.
Well, let's move on. Now, the last three statistical functions in MATLAB are the variance, covariance, and correlation coefficient. Harry? Harry?
Sorry, was watching a football match.
Oh, Harry, would you pay attention? The variance is used in determining the spread of the data given, and its formula is shown in the slide above.
Interesting.
Indeed, the covariance measures the strength of a correlation between two datasets. Now, with the variance and covariance in mind, the correlation coefficient is the covariance divided by the square root of the difference of the variance of the two datasets.
That is a bit overwhelming, lad.
Don't worry, mate. With some practice, you will be a MATLAB master.
Oh, very good.
Now, Harry, are you ready to tackle sorting?
As ready as I ever will be, mate.
Very good. Sorting a dataset is simply putting the dataset in ascending or descending order.
Oh, mate, that makes everything much easier.
Indeed it does. Why don't I show you an example?
So let me get this straight. Dataset VEC, which is arranged in a random order, is put into both ascending and descending order using the sort function.
Right on, Harry. I always knew you were a MATLAB wizard.
Alright, thanks for listening. It's been a real pleasure. We are our commentators. I'm Harry Goodson, and my partner,
Terence Hart. Cheers, mate.